Periodontal maintenance is a specialized type of cleaning for those who have a history of gum disease. Gum disease is a condition that causes inflammation in the supporting structures around the teeth. Left unchecked, it can lead to tooth loss. It's also associated with other conditions such as cardiac conditions, arthritis, and diabetes. A periodontal maintenance is a specialized type of cleaning that typically takes about an hour. It's normally performed by a hygienist or a periodontist that has experience in treating gum disease. It's a great time to look for signs of reinfection and is extremely important. Prevention is key. A 3-month periodontal maintenance is extremely important for those who have a history of gum disease. Without it, the teeth can become loose and painful and require extraction. Periodontal disease must be maintained over time and cannot be cured. It's akin to managing something like diabetes or high blood pressure.